We're tracking those mainly clear skies, and we're just a little bit after sunrise this morning, and we're going to continue to notice those skies continuing to brighten, and eventually those temperatures will warm up. But again, it is cold out there. Upper teens to low to mid 20s, 30 though in the district. That's one of the warmer spots on the map right now. We're 25 in Fredericksburg, but 17 in Woodstock, and we have a little bit of that wind chill out there this morning. 24 is actually what it feels like as you're stepping out the door right now in D.C., but teens for the bulk of the region right now. Feeling like it's 15 in Hagerstown, Frederick, Leesburg, Winchester, as well as Woodstock. 13 is what it feels like in Culpeper. 10 is what it feels like in Kaiser, but at least we're double digits now. We were into the single digits for those wind chills not too long ago in Kaiser, so a little bit of improvement there. High pressure is moving its way off towards our north and east, but that did provide us with the calm, clear, and quiet conditions through the overnight hours last night. And with those clear skies, those temperatures did drop through the overnight and even into early this morning. But looking ahead towards later on today, we'll see mainly clear skies by about 8 a.m. Still right about 30 degrees in D.C. Upper 40s as we look ahead towards noon. There's a few clouds moving in, and then looking ahead towards 4 p.m. It'll be partly cloudy out there. Those high temperatures, low 50s, and that's certainly much more seasonable for this time of the year. So just a little bit warmer than what we saw yesterday. That southerly flow that's moving in today will certainly boost those temperatures up just a little bit, back in the upper 40s to low 50s. Increasing cloud cover tonight ahead of our next weather maker. We could even see a few rain showers later on tonight, thinking after midnight tonight. Those showers turn a little bit more widespread into early tomorrow morning. A few pockets of some steadier rain possible as we get towards early tomorrow morning between, say, 5 and 8 a.m. We do see a little bit of a lull in the action as that cold front swings through. Just behind that cold front, a few showers could still be with us between 1 to 3 p.m. And then we should dry things out as we approach sunset, and we should clear things out as well after that cold front, and also really clear any of that warmth. So if you did notice those temperatures when that cold front was swinging through, we will see high temperatures tomorrow right about 60 degrees. And then as we get head towards overnight tomorrow night into early Sunday morning, those temperatures falling back upper 20s to low 30s. And then we'll only see high temperatures on Sunday, only warm up into the 40s. So we go from right around 60 Saturday to 40s for high temperatures on Sunday. In terms of how much rain we can expect over the course of tomorrow, we're looking at about 1/4 of an inch to about 1/2 of an inch of rainfall when all is said and done, which is not too much. However, really not ideal for any of your Saturday plans. However, we will see some dry times. It's not a complete washout, which is the good news. Low 50s for the day today, mix of sun and clouds. It'll be breezy at times tomorrow with that cold front swinging through, but we'll see those highs low 60s, back in the 40s, so a little bit cooler on Sunday, but at least we'll see those drier conditions prevailing. Here's a view of the rest of that 7-day forecast. Mainly sun-filled to kickstart that next work week with high temperatures right about 50 on Monday. Unsettled weather pattern moves in yet again Tuesday and Wednesday, tracking some more rain showers on Tuesday. Some of those could linger into early Wednesday, but we'll see those high temperatures into the low to mid 50s. Right now, I'll toss it over to Shanique with the on-point traffic update.